guys, me Ashley Thompson here today, another video, and I'm going to be showing you my Sparkster32 account updates on the inventory, animals, and everything. So let's get to it. If this thing will load for once. I said that so weird. I mean once, not once. I mean once. Okay, let's get to it. Come on, LJM load. Guess it's not gonna load. Oh, here it goes. It's loading. Okay. Come on. Yeah, right as soon as I was about to refresh. Okay, so let's go to my den and do this. And I have it locked because people were interrupting me while I was doing it. So, as you can see, this is the den. It's a little not nicer than what it was before. And I have some new masterpieces. This one a friend gave to me. 3 likes. This one is really bad. I don't like it. And this one is like awesome. I love this one. This one's cool. This dog one is actually my favorite. It has... I already hearted it, I think. It's not wanting to load the hearts. But anyways, this is the den update. And this is everything right now. And so now let's get into the animals. I mean, not the animals, the inventory. So I have a silver spike collar, a rare custom spike collar, 2 flower crowns. Actually, guys, I might get a free membership code off this community I joined on Google+. So I'm going to give this spike and these 2 flower crowns for a membership code. They're going to email me a code, if they even do. I have no idea. But they're probably, like, not going to, and if so, then that's okay. I'll just get it Christmas time. Anyways, so this is all the stuff right now I have. I have added some stuff, actually, as you can see. People just gave me free stuff. I said, put bad on trade, and I said, okay. So this is all the stuff I have at the moment. And I'm probably gonna get more. I have no clue. And this is actually a rare fez and a rare icicle horn. Some of the stuff is not wanting to load. There it goes. Okay, it's just a bunch of junk as you get further down. Okay, that's it. And as you can see, I have 3 diamonds, 38 festival tickets, and 5,000 gems. Now this is animals. I have 84 out of 1,000 animals, guys. So yeah, I have a seal and a wolf, which is the one I'm on. But animals will just load. Anyways, you can see I have 84 out of 1,000. Mostly Arctic wolves and snow leopards. And I have an Animal Jam toy, Arctic Fox, which I actually copied the looks of that Arctic Fox toy and put it on one of my Arctic Foxes. Pretty cool. You know, the first Arctic wolf I ever got was a level 3, and I forgot her name, and I'm going to go down and try and find her. She's a level 3. And, she is actually the level 3 one, and I'm trying to find her right now. She's the Rainbow Arctic Wolf. I don't play as her much. Mythical Bold Wolf. That was my first ever Arctic Wolf on this account. And yeah, you can see their clothing is gone because I've traded most of it. Sorry you can't see. I mean, this is all of the animals. Not all of them, but let's try this again. Just gonna scroll. Thank goodness I got a kangaroo. I was hoping that it wouldn't go out of stores. I think they're out of stores. I don't know. I'll have to look at the end of this video. So yeah. And I also got a spring bunny with my membership last time, 3 months. Golly, I got a spring bunny on team. My sister got one on Team Eco Lover, and that's Blossom Glam River. I have no idea why I named her that. I just picked randomly. I think it's a really cool name though. And that's all the animals I have. Actually, there's a few cheetahs and coyotes too. What the heck, load? Piece of junk. I'm sorry guys, it's not wanting to cooperate. It's being very slow. It's laggy. Because I have so much stuff in my den. I have an elephant, and I have mostly almost all the diamond animals and good animals. And I have a pig, a level 3 wolf, and that's it. And that's all that I'm going, and actually my buddies. I have 678 buddies, I have 1,000. And that's cool. So, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!